it's small. Kuseza the mark of the beast. Kuseza izinto eziningi kakhulu. And leyo mark of the beast leyo mayifika angeke ifike izikhona ukuthi hey yimi mark of the beast. But iyofika as a solution to people to say that kuko konke lokho kwenzakalayo nayi solution khethani lo nizophuma ngale ndlela le. And mabathi bazophula ngale ndlela le, then they are cancelling out Jesus Christ being the way, the truth and the life. Because abantu bayobafuna ukudla, abantu bayobafuna umsebenzi, abantu bayobafuna ukuya ezikolweni. Bazobatshela ukuthi solution yakho ukuthi uthole ukudla imark. Solution yakho ukuthi uthole umsebenzi nayi. So bazoyiletha as a solution. And even people esikhonza nabo esithandaza nayo uNkulunkulu nabo bazogcina bayithathile because why they are desperate. So sisesikhathini esinzima kakhulu bazalwane, and the only thing that can help us is to pray honestly. It is to stay in prayer. No thandaza, you are not doing something that is foolish. You are not wasting your time, but you are preparing for the coming of Jesus. Ungathi, ibandla likaNkulunkulu, wherever, where there are churches, wherever there are people gathering, ungathi le ndaba yokuthi uJesu uyabuya singayimemezela kakhulu ukuthi abantu bazoba prepared, abantu bazokwazi ukuthi bayofacana nani. The book of Revelation kusele ngabe manje sikhuluma ngayo, siyachaza ukuthi yini lezindabayana, siyachaza ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani, kuzothiwani, kuzoyiwaphi, kuzoyenzakalani, so that abantu babe prepared. Amen. But siko lokho bazalwane nje ngikhuluma ngakho namhlanje, angicabanga ukuthi ngizoba mude kakhulu because I have to go back to school. Namhlanje ngizohamba nje after nje ngihamba because ngisaqhubeka esikolweni asikaqedanga. So bazalwane, so namhlanje bazalwane sizokhuluma ngasamething empilweni ukuthi it's very very important. Ngesikhathi esiphila kiso, isikhathi sokunyama, isikhathi sale suffering ekhona around us, and I don't think that whatever that esizokhuluma ngayo is to discourage or to put anyone in fear. No one must be in fear. Everyone must be prepared. Everyone must be in the right place. There must be positioning so that whenever anything happens, you know exactly what is happening. So, isihloko se-message yami namhlanje, it is desire to know the truth. Desire to know the truth. Langazelela ukwazi iqiniso. Yenza sure ukuthi usendaweni la khona you have a hunger for the truth. Ulambele iqiniso. Wherever you go, wherever you are with, let it be ukuthi whatever it is, you remain in the truth of God. Because bazalwane, there is a difference between what is true and what is the truth. Kunomehluko. Lamagama ungaweva ngathi ayafana. Especially for Isasa, maybe they would think but it's not the same. There is truth and there is what is true. These two things, they are not the same. Amen. And the reason why you need to know between the two is because sipila esikhathini se-deception bazalwane. Esikhathini lana khona angazi deception yini ngesizulu ma ukhohliswa, yebo. Siphila esikhathini lapho unokukhohlisa okukhulu kakhulu. Check ifoni yakho, deception. Bheka i-TV, siyadeceive. Mawumile estradeni nabantu ukhuluma nabo, it's just deception. So this thing here, deception bazalwane, ayiqali manje. Akusiyinto eqale ngo-2026 because manje umhlaba sewuzobhubha. No, it's way back. When you read in the book of Genesis chapter 3 bazalwane, it started there. I mean, I'm a person who I really, if I want to understand something as we I always go back to Genesis because Genesis uyas director usinikeza wonke ama-tools ekumele sibe nawo. So when we look in the book of Genesis chapter 3 bazalwane, ngithanda ukuthi sifunde nje just short the section esiyaziyo bazalwane. Genesis chapter 3 the time when men fell. The time when men fell, the time when Satan and deceive mankind. So, in Genesis chapter 3, from verse 2 to verse 7. bengingathanda ukuthi uma asifundele ngesizulu from verse 2 to verse 7.
Bazalwane sifunde incwadi kaGenesis chapter 3. Sithi sihloko ukwela esonweni. Sicela ukungalithi. Owesifazane wathi enyokeni, singadla izithelo zemithi yasemtsimini, kepha ngezithelo zomuthi ophakathi nensimu uNkulunkulu ushilo ukuthi ningazithinti ukuba ningafi. 4. Inyoka yathi owesifazane, aniyikufa nokufa. 5. Kepha uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi mhla nizidla kuyakuvuleka amehlo enu nibe njengoNkulunkulu nikwazi okuhle nokubi. 6. Owesifazane ebona ukuthi umuthi ulungele ukudliwa nokuthi uyabukeka emehlweni nokuthi umuthi unqanelekile ekuhlakaniphiseni, wathatha izithelo zawo wadla, wanika nendoda yakhe kanye nayo yadla. 7. Ayesevuleka amehlo abo bobabili, babona ukuthi bahambaze, bathunga amaqabunga omkhiwane, bazenzela isibhinqa.
Amen. So la bazalwane sifunda khona iyasikhombisa ukuthi i-deception iqale khona la bazalwane. It started here when something that is true was being presented. This is where it started, because uSathane makavela kibo athi kibo verse 5, God knows that in the day you eat of it, your eyes will be opened and you will be like God, knowing good and evil. Lokho Sathane bekakusho lapha bazalwane, it's not entirely false, right? Because mawubona vele amehlo wabo wavuleka, vele bazi okuhle nokubi, but uSathane wakuthatha wasebese ukuhlanganisa nani namanga, ngoba uNkulunkulu wabatshela wathi if you eat of this tree you will surely die. That was the truth of God that God had placed before Adam and Eve. But sibona uSathane enzani, apresenta obutrue, apresenta okubonakalisa ngathi iqiniso, okubonakalisa ngathi vele if you do this thing vele uzoba njeni. Wasekwenzakalani, wasevele mabathatha the fruit amehlo wabo wavuleka, vele bazi okuhle nokubi, because iBhayibheli lithi bazikhavarisha ngama-fig leaves. It's because there's something that they had known that they were not supposed to know. Because uNkulunkulu makathi kibo ningadli lana, bekazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi why ashudala. It was not for them to find out ukuthi experiment sizobona kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. So masifunda kule chapter le bazalwane siyabona ukuthi uSathane is being revealed bazalwane as the Bible depicts him as ukuthi he is the father of lies. He comes and he disguises himself as an angel of light. Uyavela nalo lelo qiniso nyana lelo for ukuthi wena ungakhuli ukubona ukuthi what is happening here, it is deception. So when we read here in this book bazalwane isikhombisa lokho ukuthi i-deception ayiqali manje ngo-2026. Ya ingadini yase-Eden beyikhona, ukukhohlisa bekukhona, ukukhohliswa bekukhona qali manje. Nalo iqiniso aliqali manje. Masithi desire to know the truth, it's not something thina esizikhandela yona manje, but it is something that has been there from the very beginning. Amen bazalwane. So uSathane uyafika ku-Eve upresenta a half truth. Uthi yazini mawungadla amehlo wakho azovuleka. Mehlo wabo wavuleka, but umbuzo ukuthi wavulekela ini amehlo wabo? What is it that they saw after their eyes opened?